Rachel. This is Keyshia from Richmond, Virginia. Welcome to Creating Like Keyshia's Kitchen. Today I will be going over the steps in making my loaded mashed potato balls. First we start with a cup of mashed potatoes, and of course they're already seasoned because they're leftover mashed potatoes. And we're gonna throw in ham or turkey, and then I'm gonna add in some garlic powder and some cheese, and then we're gonna put in some green onions, and we're gonna mix this all together. Grab a small portion of potatoes, roll it in a nice ball, dip it in some egg. We're gonna dip it over here in some panko. We're gonna dump them over here in the deep fryer, and then we just let that fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. They're really hot and crispy. Dip it in some sour cream. I hope you enjoyed my loaded mashed potato recipe. Can you taste it?
So cute. That was Keyshia from Richmond, Virginia, and I don't know what was more fun, watching her make it or watching her eat it. What an adorable video. Thank you, Keyshia.